Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Outlook email account on Android. To sign up for a new Outlook account, you only need a few simple steps. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Outlook app. Tap Create New Account. Create the Outlook email address you want. Tap Next. Create a password for your Outlook account. Uncheck here if you don't want to subscribe to product tips and information. If so, tap Next. Enter your first and last name here. Tap Next. Select your country and enter your birth date. And then tap Next. This is a security verification on the Outlook app. So let's confirm what needs to be verified. If you successfully verify it, then it will look like this. So just tap OK. Tap Maybe Later. Tap Next. And tap Accept. And yeah, now you have successfully created a new Outlook account. You can use this email in various Microsoft services. That's the tutorial on how to create Outlook email account on Android. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.